Welcome to this CommunityViz video tutorial. This tutorial and follow-up videos will teach you about running a standard build-out analysis using the Scenario 360 Buildout wizard. In planning terms, build-out is a commonly performed analysis in which you calculate how many buildings could be built on an area of land according to current land use and/or zoning regulations. There are three main phases to a CommunityViz build-out analysis. Numeric, how much development is possible under rules specified. Spatial, where might this development be located under rules specified. And visual, what might this development look like. These steps are sequential, so you need to complete them in order. You can launch the Buildout wizard from the Scenario 360 Decision Tools toolbar or from the Scenario 360 drop-down Tools. You can see on the navigator that there are several steps to Numeric Buildout. For the bare minimum, you'll need to specify your land use layer and assign density rules for each land use designation. The remaining substeps are optional refinements. Clicking on Numeric gets you started. We'll select the Redevelopment Area Land Use layer, which is a layer which shows our various land use types as area polygons. These land use types are specified in the Conceptual Land Use attribute. By selecting these from the drop-downs, the wizard provides a preview of the designations found in this attribute. Clicking Next will take us to the heart of our build-out analysis, density rules. Each land use can have dwelling unit density, typically defined as dwelling units per acre, and/or floor area of non-residential use, typically defined as floor area ratio. You'll want to determine these numbers prior to running the wizard. Once on this screen, it's a simple matter of typing in the values associated with each land use type. The remaining numeric steps provide ways to refine the results. We're going to simply accept the defaults in this simple numeric build-out run. From here, we'll click Finish and then Run Buildout. Once this runs, we can look at our layers to see what the Buildout wizard outputs. There's a layer grouping called Buildout, which contains three layers: buildable area, buildings, and building footprints. Since we've only run numeric, only the buildable area layer has features associated with it currently. The other layers are placeholders for future spatial runs. The buildable area layer is populated with numeric results based on the land use designations from the parent layer and our density rules. Each polygon now has numeric dwelling units, numeric buildings, and numeric floor area. These are the core attributes from the numeric data we entered on this run. Other attributes will become useful later with a more advanced build-out run. We can also pull up charts to review our results. These display the totals from our entire study area in numeric dwelling units, numeric buildings, and numeric floor area. As with the layers and attributes, there are placeholder indicators for future spatial runs. We now know it's possible to build in our study area given the features, our land use designations, and our density rules. In follow-up videos, you can learn about some of the more advanced options for build-out analysis. Thank you for watching this CommunityViz video tutorial. For more video tutorials and CommunityViz resources, please visit our website.